Hello everyone, I'm Young Forest. Welcome to my channel. This is a series about a self-mock technical interview using English as a non-native speaker. In this episode, we will solve a LeetCode daily problem together. Let's start. So here we are. It's a medium problem, so I plan to solve this problem within 20 minutes. Good luck. So let's read the description together. It's a reverse word in a string. Give an input string as reverse the order of words. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space characters. The words in S will be separated by at least one space. Return a string of words in reverse order concatenated by a single space. Note that S may contain leading or trailing space or multi-space between two words. The return string should only have a single space separating the words. Don't include any extra space. So yeah, it's the description is very clearly, and let's see the description reverse the word and a good yeah, this is the example about a multi-space and the leading or training space. We need to delete that when in our output. At least one word mutable. There is a follow-up. So first our straightforward solution is we split this sentence into words by the space and concatenated them into the output. If we use Python, it's very easy to do that. I believe we can solve this problem in a run. But if we using this solution, the time complexity I think is big O(n) because we need to split it with word, with space, and concatenate them. But it's acceptable by this problem, but in follow up we need a in place solution. Because in Python the string data type is immutable, so I think it in the C++ the string is mutable, and straightforward sort is two reverse. It's very the implementation is very simple. We reverse the entire sentence and then we reverse each word, so we get the output, and after that we need to remove the space because the description said that we need only one single space separating the words, so we need to count the space and move all the word forward to and pop the backspace. So let's start. The time complexity is O n, and the space complexity is O1. Yeah, it's the solution for the phone app. So let's start. The reverse is very easy. We can use the STL function in the C++, and now we need to reverse the each word. So let's we need to iterate the entire sentence, and when we meet the space, we reverse that. So let's go. So the end words, end, I think is IT, and well, and not equal to space, and is not the end of sentence, and is not space. We forward the end and now reverse T and end, and we need to forward our IT forward our update the position of IT, and now we get the answer, but there may be multi space. So how to remove the space? We can first of all we can calculate how many space is extra that we need to remove, and then we will update update the answer string from the begin to the end, and move the words forward to the end and remove the space in back. So int count. So let's see. Index first of all, if the begin, we remove the begin space. Leading space. And we remove the got here and we skip a word and what's the property of multi-space? I think it's for this space the left character and the right character is space, and for the two space only one side one neighbor is space, so it's count a half. So I do that. I think we can count two. We count space as two because for in this situation we will count half of space. So we if we use int, we have to double that to count the half space. So we count it two. In this situation, we count two, and if the left is space but the right is not, we count a half, and if the right is space but the left is not space, so we need to be careful. We need to take care of the trail space, and if this is half and this is half. So we will assert that if in this situation we need to remove one more count, one more space. Else this is just one character. Just one space. In this situation, we need to make the count plus 2, I think. So it's always plus 2. So we delete those conditions. If the trio is we have training space, it's always needed to delete one more space. So let's construct the answer. So for int we use the I here. I will declare a new index j and let's make it r and right. It's so I start if r if it's not space, we'll kill that. If it is space, but it is space, we need to assert that this, I think. If the last character is the space, we do not copy that. Else we need to copy that. So if R is space, we need to pop all the other character in the back. It's R, I think. It's if it's not if it's a character we need to remove it from L, and we need to guarantee that it's valid space. So I think the space count is useless if we use the two pointer solution. So let's remove that. So let's run the code. Okay. Oh yes. We may need a while here because we only need the branch statement. Oops, stack overflow. Stack buffer. So I think there is a maybe this is a dead loop. Yes, I think it's not next, it's end. Okay. Space, I need to update the R here. Oops. Is there some dead loop? Let's see out the S here to debug whether or not we reach this one. No, so the bug is here. think it's next, maybe. Let's still I got there and this end. Okay, we need to make sure that is not accent. In this situation, it's get error instead of get the error. Okay, else and boom we escape. So let's run the example. Contact over for basic string. So let's onset off. So let's use this example to debug our code. I think there is something wrong to deal with the leading and the training space. Forward. We will here. Okay. We need to make sure that the R if R okay, if it's the first character R, yes, we found the bug. It's we need to be very careful about the edge case when we deal with the leading space and the training space. So I'll try to submit that. Okay, I did this. Okay, it's I spent about 20 minutes because I make some mistake to count the space, and but I removed those code. It cost a lot of time, and at the end I have to debug some edge case. For example, we update the the iterator or index and the leading situation or training situation. So, but finally we solve this problem successfully. Congratulations on me. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.